Okay, for this binomial question, I require to firstly find the first 5 terms in the expansion of 1 minus x over 2 to the power of 9. Now we follow the steps carefully one by one. Okay, the first term will simply be just 1 because 1 to the power of 9. Okay, the second term we take 9c1, alright, multiplied by 1 to the power of 8, which is still 1, so hence I left it out. And of course negative x over 2 to the power of 1. That's the second term. And so on. The third term will be 9c2 times 1 times negative x over 2 to the power of 2. So we do this for the first 5 terms. Simplifying it, we get 1 minus 9 out of 2x plus 18x squared minus 21 out of 2x cubed plus 63 out of 8x to the power of 4. These are the first 5 terms of this expansion using the calculator. Now, find the value of given that the coefficient of x squared in the expansion of 4 minus 1 out of x plus a out of x squared multiplied by 1 minus x out to the power of 9 is 54 and 3 out of 8. Now, we've already worked out the value of 1 minus x out to the power of 9 to the first 5 terms, Hence, the term in x squared, we simply just extract those terms which help us to get the x squared. So looking at what is 1 minus x out of 2 to the power of 9, we simply pick up the values of 18x squared, because when 18x squared is multiplied by 4, it will give us a term in x squared. 21 out of 2, which is x to the power of 3, when you multiply by 1 out of x, it will also give you the term in x squared. Hence, we just add these 3 together, and we'll get 4 times 18x squared plus negative 1 out of x times negative 21 out of 2x to the power of 3, and finally plus a out of x squared times 63 out of 8x to the power of 4. These are the 3 terms that will give us x to the power of 2. Simplifying it and equating it to 54 and 3 out of 8. Hence, we get the value of a, which is actually negative 25 out of 7. The last part here, we're required to expand 1 minus 1 out of 2 to the power of x, 1 minus half x minus x to the power of 2 to the power of 9. Now, to make things simple, let me just let b be 1 minus half x. Hence, I can write it as the expansion of b minus x squared to the power of 9. So by writing this as a binomial expansion, and just to find up to the term x cubed, right, I can simplify it as b to the power of 9 plus, applying the same binomial expansion again, 9c1 b to the power of 8 times negative x squared plus 9c2 times b to the power of 7 times negative x squared to the power of 2, and so on. I'll stop there because we only need up to the term in x cubed. So anything more than that is not necessary. In fact, this term is not necessary as well. But just to make it clearer, now I would like to simplify what is b to the power of 8, which is 1 minus half x to the power of 8. So I'll just expand up to the first 3 terms, because it gives us x squared. And this is the expansion, which is 1 minus 4x plus third term and so on. Hence, b minus x squared to the power of 9, since I'm only interested at the term in x cubed, I shall just write out the terms that involve up to x cubed. That is for what we have already found earlier in part 1. And secondly here, bear in mind from what we just expanded, we have 9 times b to the power of 8, and hence b to the power of 8 is actually 1 minus 4x plus something, and so on. However, I won't write any more because I know the next term I need to multiply by a negative x squared. Hence this, I just need to work up to x in this term, that's all. Simplifying it, this is what we get. And the final answer is actually 1 minus 9 over 2x plus 9x squared plus 51 over 2x cubed. That's up to the term in x cubed. Thank you.